The split screen effect is really helpful whether you're doing a side-by-side comparison, want to stack clips vertically for Instagram or TikTok, or just create a YouTube thumbnail. And today I'm going to show you how to do this split screen effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you're new here, I'm Victor Melcher. I make filmmaking tutorials and cinematic videos. Now let's get into it. Alright, so in DaVinci Resolve, we have our two clips that we want to do the split screen effect with in our timeline. First, we're just going to click and drag one of your clips directly on top of it, so that way they are stacked like so. Next, we're going to go to the top left and click this magic wand, then click generators, and where it says solid color, we're going to click this star. I'll show you why a little bit later, and we're going to click and drag solid color into the timeline directly on top. Right click solid color, click new compound clip, click create. Next on the left, we're going to go to where it says open effects, and in the search bar, we're going to search grid. We're going to star this as well. Click and drag the grid directly on top of the compound clip, and then make sure you're on the effects tab in the top right, and we are going to drop the row cells, and we're going to drop the column cells to 2. That way it's giving us a split screen guideline. Drop major line space to 0, then click the video tab, and we're going to scroll down to composite mode, and the opacity slider we're going to drop to about 30%. That way we have a little guideline so we know our split screen is perfectly even. Now we're just going to click our top clip and make sure you're on the video tab in the right. Now you can adjust the zoom and the position of it. So I want this clip on the left of my split screen. Just gonna zoom in like so, looks good. Adjust my X and Y axis, there we go. Now under where it says cropping, just click that, and you're gonna crop the left or right depending on where your first clip is. So I'm just gonna crop left, and I'm gonna leave a little bit of room. I'm not gonna do it fully down the middle, because as of right now, this is just gonna be a straight harsh line. But what I actually want to do is make this softer. So where it says softness, I'm just going to adjust that a little bit. Now as you can tell, it kind of blurs that line a little bit. Now I'm just going to zoom in a little bit, and I'm going to adjust the line so it's perfectly in the middle. Lastly, I'll click the bottom clip, and then I'll make the adjustments I need to for that one. There we go. Just going to zoom in a little bit. Just going to adjust the Y axis, the X. I'm going to adjust the pitch a little bit because the shot's kind of uneven. Looks good. And once you're done making the adjustments to the second clip, click compound clip, delete it, and now you completed your split screen effect. And when you want to create that grid for future split screens, just click the magic wand again in the top left, go down to favorites, and you'll have your solid color and your grid, so it'll be easier to find. And if you want to export this as a thumbnail, just go on the bottom, click the color tab, right click on the image, click grab still, and now on the top left, click this little photo icon, right click the still, scroll down to export, then just export it in whichever file you'd like. Now for stacking vertical clips, it's pretty similar. We're just gonna add an extra clip, and let's just stack them on top of each other. I'm gonna have the one that I want in the center at the top. Next, hold Shift 9, and under the master settings, you'll see timeline resolution. Toggle on use vertical resolution. On the bottom right, click save. Now our timeline will be vertical. Next, we're gonna go in the top left and click the magic wand, and then go down to favorites and click that. And now since we favorited generators and grid, it's gonna be in our favorites tab. So it's faster to find. So drag solid color right over the top, right click, turn solid color into a new compound clip, click create, scroll down. We're gonna drag the grid over it, and now we're gonna make the column cells 1 and turn down the major line spacing, and the row cells will be 3. So this will give us the guideline for 3. Next, we'll just click video, and we're gonna scroll down to the opacity, drop that a little bit so we can see our clip. Next, we'll click our top clip, and in the top right, scroll to where it says transform at the top, and we can adjust the size and the position of it. Looks good. Next, click the second clip and do the same thing. Make the adjustments, and you can put it at the top or the bottom, and we'll make our adjustments to that one as well. Lastly, click the bottom clip, and again, make similar adjustments, and you can drag it to either the top or the bottom. Then you can take your grid off, and now you got your 3 vertical clips. Alright everyone, so that's it for this video. If you do have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.